What's going on, good guys? So Chris Newman here. As you see, I'm over here chopping up the chopping up the chopping up the chop up, right? So I'm making my juice. I call it the La Fuerza. Okay. The reason why I call it the La Fuerza, I'm not even going to tell you why I call it that, but I was calling it the Boom Bing. But my wife said she don't like. Look at the little dance right there. All right, chill. I went too far. I took it too far, as usual. All right, so now we chopping up the sliced cucumbers right there. And I thought I was Chef Gordon Ramsay, but that's a turmeric. Here we go with the pineapples again. So right now we did the turmeric, we did the ginger, we did the cucumber. I'm doing the pineapples right now. As you can see, I also have 4 lemons here. Okay, so a piece of turmeric, a piece of ginger. And the reason why I'm very specific on the ginger and the turmeric just a piece, because I put a bigger piece of the root and almost burnt my throat off. Okay, I didn't like it and it was strong. It cleaned me out definitely, but oh my gosh, when I tell you it was that spicy, it was that spicy. Look, the purple knife. Don't worry about the purple knife, but we got the watermelon right here. Slicing through the watermelon like a hot knife through butter. Oh my gosh. Listen, anybody want me to talk about their knives and everything like that within my videos, y'all gotta cut me a check, okay? I can't do it for free, but you guys see what's going on with that watermelon. Oh my gosh. Now I'm throwing out the skin of the watermelon, chopping this up. Whoop, 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 whoop. And guess what? They go another dance. All right, so now it's time to juice. I was making sure the angle was right. It took me some time, but let's juice it right now. So right now we're knocking out the yellow portion. So this is the pineapple portion. Knocking out the pineapple portion. Look, it got stuck a little bit. It got stuck. I need a better juicer, but these juicers are expensive. When I say expensive, this one I caught on sale. I caught on sale for like $50, $60, right? $50, $60. I'm hungry again. There go the salad right there. Because you see the belly is coming back a little bit. I lost 41 pounds, but I went to Colombia, came back, and gained 10. So now I'm trying to, I'm in the process of losing that again. Some of these juicers are hundreds of dollars. And it's like, oh my gosh, the juicer is hundreds of dollars. And the fruits are expensive. You spend $20 on the fruits, and you'll probably get you gotta cheat with the watermelon because you probably get 3 cups if that. So you gotta put the watermelon in there. Okay, so now we're putting the red portion in there. I'll also put the ginger and everything in there so it can kind of mix with the womb, with the wing, with the wang, with the. So now I'm cleaning up, clean as you go, clean as you go, clean as you go, clean as you go. I learned that as a kid, clean as you go, so you don't have a whole bunch of everything to clean up. Now look, all of that, and I didn't even fill up this picture. All of that. Look what I do. One 20 ounce, another 20 ounce. Boom. The little smaller ounces. Bang, bang, bang. It was like that 8, I think. Yeah, it was like 8 to 12 ounces right there. And I still got enough for one more. That's a 24 ounce right there. So look at that. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe.